Today, we did some fabricating. We did some cutting and grinding. I'll pretend like there was some high precision machine work that got done, but no, that didn't happen. There's cardboard templates and hammers and punches and drill bits too big and grinders. No measuring, just like eyeballing. But it came out pretty good. Here's a time lapse. Okay, we got it installed. I think we need to paint it. But here it is. Final product. You can't see anything. Here it is. Very nice. I layered the actual shift boot in between the cardboard and the steel. It's very nice and solid. I could probably tighten it down more, but that's probably good enough. So should be a lot better than the cardboard. And I did a pretty good job deburring it, so I'm not really worried about catching my hand on it. Still some sharp spots here. May run a file over that at some point. There you go. There's your update for today. And I have no idea what we're doing tomorrow, but we'll see you tomorrow.